Hey guys, welcome back to Paragon Sales Solutions YouTube channel. I'm Eloise, Telemarketing Executive, and on this channel we share tips, tricks and hints relating to sales and marketing. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to handle sales objections and the type of sales objections that are most common in the telemarketing process. In the world of sales, objections are inevitable, whether that concerns price, competition, features, availability. Prospects will always often raise those objections because they are evaluating their options and making big important decisions when you're talking to them. How sales professionals handle these objections can make all the difference between closing a deal and then also losing a potential customer, which you never want to happen. In this, we'll explore the effective strategies for handling those sales objections and turning them into opportunities to build trust and win over those prospects. The first and probably most important thing at the moment is understanding those sales objections. They are a natural part of the sales process and you will probably always come across them every time you talk to someone. However, they can arise for various reasons. The most common ones typically are price, so you may hear something like, it's too expensive, I don't have the budget for that, or competition, oh, I'm considering other options, I already have that from somewhere else, I don't need another one. The need for the product as well, I don't think I need that, I've never used it before, why would I need it now? Timing as well, timing's a big one, I'm not ready to make a decision right now, can you call me back in 3 months? I'm not sure it fits in with my projects at the moment. The main one I always seem to come across is trust, and building up that trust is typically really important. If someone's never heard of you before, the likelihood is they're not going to trust you within that first call. Moving on, we're going to talk about the strategies for handling those sales objections. So my first one, and probably most important, is listening. So when you are faced with an objection, it's crucial to listen attentively to the prospect's concerns without interrupting them. Allow them to express their objections fully and then demonstrate that empathy and understanding of everything they are saying. You know, while you're sat there just like nod along, yeah, no, I understand that, of course I get that. It helps because it shows you're listening to them. The second one is to acknowledge and validate those objections. Acknowledge the prospect's objection, validate the concerns. Let them know that you understand their perspective and that their concerns are valid. This helps to build that rapport and that trust, which inevitably will develop a better conversation. The third one is to clarify and probe. Once you've acknowledged that objection, seek to clarify the prospect's concerns further. Ask those open-ended questions, uncover the root cause of that objection, and then gain deeper insights into their needs and motivations for something. The fourth point about handling sales objections is to offer those solutions and alternatives. If it's possible, offer solutions to address that prospect's objection. Don't let them have a reason to say no. For example, if price is a concern, consider potentially offering a discount if you can, potentially a payment plan as well, or even just those added value services additionally to sweeten the deal. The fifth one is to use that social proof. For example, success stories, testimonials, case studies. They showcase how your product or service has helped other customers before and to overcome those similar objections and achieve their goals. If a prospect can hear that you've helped other people in exactly the same situation, that social proof can really help to alleviate doubts and build that credibility. Now, my final and sixth point on this is to close with confidence. Once you've addressed the prospect's objections to their satisfaction, confidently move towards the sale. Reiterate the value proposition and the benefits of your offering. Ask for that prospect's commitment to move forward. You should say this in a way that shows that you know you're going to help them and you know that this is going to work. And if they hear that confidence in your voice, they are way more likely to say, do you know what? Yeah, I believe you. I think we can work this out. Now, moving on to handling those common objections. The first one that I've covered is the price objections. So with this, you really just want to emphasize the value and the return on investment that your products or service will deliver. Offering maybe those flexible pricing options or discounts if possible will always help. The second one is any sort of competition objection. When someone says, oh, I'm using X, Y, and Z, I don't need you because I've got this. Differentiate your offering, highlight its unique features, its benefits, and the advantages over competitors. I initially used to struggle with this one a lot, but it really helps. So just showcase that customer testimonial or those reviews that demonstrate your superiority, and people will believe you. Third one is your need objections. Probe deeper to understand the prospect's specific pain points, why they feel they might not need what you've got, but then demonstrate how your product or service addresses those needs more effectively than any other solutions they're thinking of, considering. And the fourth one is timing objections. Respect the prospect's timeline. Offer to follow up at a more convenient time, and in that meantime, keep on top of it, provide that valuable information. If they say, can you call me back in 3 months? Say, yeah, of course I can. In the end of July, I'll give you a ring. But in the meantime, I'll send you that email. Have a look, take your time, read through it, and we'll speak again. Now, in conclusion, handling sales objections is always tricky. However, it's really effective, and it really requires that active listening, the empathy, and the solution-oriented mindset. By acknowledging, validating, and addressing prospects' concerns head-on, sales professionals can really build that trust, overcome those objections, and close so many more deals. If you're looking for expert assistance in handling sales objections and closing more deals, don't hesitate to contact Paragon Sales Solutions. Our team specializes in providing customized sales solutions that drive results and exceed expectations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.